This is Radio Finfinne. Radio Finfinne.
Radio Finfinne. This station will provide intellectual conversation and entertaining music 24 hours every day.
Genzebe Dibaba Keneni is discussing about doping crisis with Girm Chala. Genzebe Dibaba has achieved a lot so far through her care and many best results to come. For now, here's what she discussed about doping
across the
crisis
continent are
with
gearing
Girm
up for
Chala.
the Summer Games in Rio this year. One such athlete is the reigning women's 1500 meters world champion, Genzebe Dibaba. CCTV's Girm Chala caught up with the Ethiopian athlete to discuss the doping crisis in athletics as well as her 2014 and 2015 achievements. He began by asking about her performance in the last 2 years.
I'm proud of my achievements in 2014 and 2015. The last 2 years have been remarkable. 2014 and 2015 have a special place in my life because I was able to register unique results in the 2 years. I had exciting times.
The issue of doping is challenging the athletics world in general terms. What can you tell us about the whole scenario here?
Doping is casting a shadow on athletics. The story of doping is horrible news for the athletic sports at this time. It won't be good for tournaments like Olympics and other events. What we're hearing in the sports world is not good. We need to work towards mitigating this. I believe punishing those who took medicines for strength on purpose is just. It's because a lesson for the next generation should be passed.
Many athletes complain that the International Athletics Federation and the anti-doping agencies around the world are unfairly accusing athletes or not informing them about the possibilities of them being banned because of some medicine. Do you believe that there is some kind of unfairness in here?
Authorities should inform athletes in advance about banned substances. You know, there are people who took the medicine after the banning, but I believe the authorities should have informed these athletes about this beforehand. This was supposed to be done a year before the punishment, but I don't understand how they are going to handle this now. The banned athletes have used the medicine they used legally, and now they are banned.
You're the most famous, most successful young athlete. At the same time, you know, doping can happen to anyone at any given time. How are you protecting yourself from this problem?
Athletes ought to be careful of what they take since people are malicious. It's hard to protect yourself from doping causing drinks or foods. Some people may even purposely give it to you, especially those managers who yearn for quick results. At this time, your coach or people you know could help you with this, but it's scary. But I protect myself as much as possible. I don't drink water taking it from people I don't know. I do not eat with people I'm not familiar with. That is how I do it.
My final question to you, Genzebe. Ethiopian athletics was at its climax of success during the time of Haile Gebrselassie, Keneni, at the time of your sister, Toronesh Dibaba, Meseret Defar. But today, we are not seeing that same vibe, same victory. What do you think should be done to revive Ethiopian athletics and bring its success back?
Our former elite athletes should give lessons for the new generation. This is because we will be in a position to keep their legacy on if done so. I say they need to do this as soon as possible. Knowing how they handle pressure and their overall experience is vital here. A lot should be done in this regard by everyone.